That's amazing. Check this out. This is supposed to be an artifact from what it was made from. This is just stunning. It's got emblems down there. I don't know what they are. Even the inside of this has intricate details like the outside does. I want to be so careful here. This is really cool. So this is to the first few buyers that got this. That's really cool. All right, let's get to the show. I have boxes like this one. Was excited on the notes of this. Plum, I remember, is the one that stuck out. TENMOKU I. Look at the color of the juice. Oh my gosh. I can smell it. It's beautiful. Sweet, sugar, mapley, sweet. Whoa, dirty, resinous right away. Plum, dark, smoky. It's a winner. It's another winner from Auphorie. TENMOKU. I just have a feeling they sat down and, perfumers are quiet. They're just working on good stuff. I'm not here to bash anybody. I'm here to help draw the best and find the best. When people keep working and challenging themselves to make better stuff, that's what I'm for. This is even better stuff than what they've done. They've really challenged themselves here. It's got all the Aries resins in there. It's got that sweet sugar that was the first smell. Then it settles in the skin and all this blast of resins, dark, smoky, some plum. Now that earthy, rubbery vibe that I like. I don't remember notes except for the day I bought it. Promise. And plum's the only thing that comes to my mind. I'm going through that many perfumes. I don't remember. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. Boozy is the first thing you get, but it settles down. Boozy, sweet. Then it settles down. You get earthy, dark, resins, green, woods. It's a powerful perfume. It's an extrait. That's probably pretty heavy spraying, but want the full effect going on. Another winner from Auphorie. It's just an unboxing. TENMOKU I. You'll know if it starts making the top 10 list or whatnot and what I really think about it. But it's not as sweet as the first spray. It really adults up really quick, dirties up really quick. The boozy vibe is there. Like a Japanese rice sake booze, plum booze. Some spices, spices are there. I mean, they use Malay spices. They're Malaysian. It's good scent. Anyways, Auphorie's back. TENMOKU. I'm basking in this good stuff. Peace out, guys. Stay safe. Be blessed. Quick unboxing.